Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. And students, I hope that all of you are watching the videos regularly that is being posted, right? So, in our last class we have started exercise 3.1, right? We have started exercise 3.1 and we have solved question number 1. So, today we will be solving question number 2. What is question number 2? Find the value of x. If we have to find the value of x. Okay, from here we have to find out the value of x. So how will we find out? See, this is the logarithm form. We can convert it into exponential form. Log x to the base 2 is equal to 3. So this one, what can we write? We can write x equal to 2 to the power 3, right? This is the exponential form. So 2 cube is how much? 8. 2 cube is 8. You can write here, since a to the power n equal to m, then what can we write? Then we can write n equal to log m base a, right? This is the exponential form we have converted. Okay. Now let's do question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 is log 16 to the base x is equal to 16 to the base x is equal to 2. So, what can we write from here? We can write 16 equal to x square, right? 16 equal to x square we can write. So, from here again what can we write? 16 is which square? 16 is 4 square. So, this is x square. So, x will be how much? X will be 4. Number 3, log x base 3 is equal to minus 3. So, again this one what can you write? We can write x equal to 3 to the power minus 3. So, this is a negative exponent. Let us make it positive. So, x equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3 we can write. Since 3 to the power minus 3, so we can write it like this. 1 by 3 to the power 3. So, x equal to how much? 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 is how much? 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27. So, x is equal to 1 by 27. Number 4, log root 5 to the base 0.008 equal to x. So, this one what can we write? We can write like this. Root 5 equal to, what we can write? 0.008 to the power x, right? We can write like this. So, this side root 5, let it remain same. And this side what can we write? 8 by 1, tens, 100, 1000. We can write like this. 8 by 1000 to the power x. So, now you see we can cancel here. So, 8 ones are 8. Then 8 ones are 8. Here remains 2 and 28. 2s are 16. Then 10 minus 6 is, 20 minus 6 is 4. So 8 5s are 40. So here we get root 5 equal to 1 by 125 to the power x. So now you see again 1 divided by 125. We have the cube of 125, right? Which cube? 5 cube. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are is 125. So we have 5 cube, right? We have 5 cube. So 125 we can write here 5 cube to the power x. So this one what can we write? Root 5 equal to, this one we can write 5 to the power minus 3. Before also we have done, since 1 divided by 5 cube, so we can write it like this. 5 to the power minus 3 and to the power x. So this one will be root 5 equal to 5 to the power minus 3x, right? Root 5 equal to 5 to the power minus 3x. For this one, so again you see here, root 5, what can we write? We can write 5 to the power 1 by 2, right? And this side is 5 to the power minus 3x. So now from here we can write 1 by 2 equal to minus 3x, right? So now cross multiply it. So we have, this side is what? Minus 6x equal to 1. So x will be equal to what? X will be equal to minus x will be equal to minus 1 by 6. Right? This is our answer. Now number 5 you see log 1728 to the base 2 root 3 is equal to x given. So what we can write from here? Same like before, 1728 equal to 2 root 3 to the power x. Right? So this one what we will do? This one we will find out the factors. 1728. So 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again 2 1s are 2, then here 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now with 3 you will do 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So how many 2s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. We can write, and this side 2 to the power 3 to the power x. So this side also if we make 2 root 3, this side also if we make 2 root 3, then we can get the value of x. So let us make, so 2 to the power 6, let it be said. This one what can we write? We need root 3, right? We have 2, we need root 3 here. So this one we can write root 3 square. If root 3 square means 3, square and root cancel, then it will become 3, and this another power in the outside we have. This one let it remain same. So this one 2 to the power 6 into what can we write? Root 3 to the power 6, right? Root 3 to the power 6, 2 into 3 is 6 equal to 2 root 3 to the power x. So this one 6 6. So what can we write? 2 root 3 to the power 6. Since the power is same, we can multiply these two, right? So 2 root 3 to the power 6 equal to 2 root 3 to the power x. So you see these two has become same. So we can say that x equal to 6. Okay. So our value of x is 6. So how we got x equal to 6, right? From this one, that since a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then we can write m equal to n. Then we can say m equal to n. So x equal to 6. Now the last one, number 6. Log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to x. Same like before we can write or not? So 0.01 equal to 10 to the power x, right? The exponential form. And this one what can you write? 1 by 100 we can write. 1 tens 100 equal to 10 to the power x. So this one again what can we write? 100 is 10 square, right? 100 is 10 square. 10 into 10 is 100. So this one let it remain same. And this one what can we write? 1 by 10 square. 1 divided by 10 square is 10 to the power minus 2 we can write, equal to 10 to the power x. So from here using this one only, if a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then m equal to n, right? So you can write here that minus 2 is equal to x or x equal to minus 2. So we have got the value of x as minus 2, right? Today in our class we have solved question number 2. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope all of you will stay safe at your home. Thank you.